Bitcoin is breaking out to the upside from this formation, and while Bitcoin is breaking out to the upside, we are seeing the stablecoin dominance breaking out to the downside like we have been predicting, because this is a leading indicator for what's going to happen with the price of Bitcoin. So guys, in today's video we will be having a look at Bitcoin and the stablecoin dominance, because something very interesting is forming right here and I really need to share that with you. We are also going to have a quick look at Ethereum, and especially at Ethereum against Bitcoin. Oh guys, let's jump straight into it. And like we said yesterday, guys, if Bitcoin wants to make one more rally, we need to break down on the stablecoin dominance. So far we've done that. You can see we lost the uptrend in the relative strength index right here, and yeah, price followed quickly after, coming down right here. But now comes the important part, and that is that we are actually entering a very important zone very soon. We are not there yet, and it's the question how high Bitcoin is going to go when this stablecoin dominance is going into this area. But if we have a glimpse in the future, we can already see like this, that if this most likely will come into the green area. So I don't think Bitcoin's rally is over just yet, right? But we have a low right here. We would form a lower low right here, somewhere in that green box. That could coincide with a higher low on the relative strength index and maybe a bounce of these levels. Why is this green box so important, guys? Why is it? Let me show you. Let's zoom out a little bit on this chart and let's go to the daily right here. Maybe if that's enough. It probably is. And we make it, we zoom a little bit out right here. And then you can see, guys, that in this previous price action right here, this has been a very significant horizontal resistance level, right? And we never really retested that level on the stablecoin dominance. So we broke out, had a massive rally. This was in the bear market of Bitcoin as the inverse correlation, right? When this one goes up, Bitcoin goes down. So we had a breakout to the upside, never really retested this zone, but right now we are very close to that zone. Might be retesting this at some temporary support, but it's not only that green box, it's also this declining channel right here, where the support is perfectly aligning with that green box right here. So I would definitely expect, guys, that Bitcoin's rally, because of this, is not over yet. This is a clear breakdown, and I think we might even consolidate a little bit in that green box. We might even undershoot it a little bit, that we do something like this and then maybe bounce. But it would make a lot of sense to bounce. At least we have to be a little bit careful for that after Bitcoin is really overstretched right here, and maybe even go to the levels of $38,000 US, maybe even to $40,000 US, guys. Maybe we just get that last push right here, kind of a blow off top to $40,000 US. This level is going into that green box, so we don't really know how high Bitcoin is going. We just have to see whenever this level is touching the green box where Bitcoin is trading then. And most likely we are going to see another push in the Bitcoin dominance. Also very interesting, guys, because we are looking at this level right here, the 58.9%. So roughly 59%, because that's a insane important level right here. And after such a stretch move in the Bitcoin dominance, guys, if we can get that last push into that level, I definitely think you really want to be looking at altcoins, as a lot of liquidity from Bitcoin will then flow into altcoins. And guys, if you want to know exactly which altcoins I'm buying, make sure to join Will Alerts. You can do so by scrolling down below this video, and in the video description we have 3 exchanges that we basically recommend to trade with: Bybit, BingX and BitGet. And guys, based on your needs as a trader, you can pick the exchange that you like the most. So on Bybit you can get a deposit bonus up to $30,000 US. On BingX, you can get a deposit bonus up to 9,600 and you don't need any KYC, and you can trade regular financial markets and so on. And on BitGet, you can get a deposit bonus up to 5,000 US dollars. So guys, if you want to join Will Alerts, make sure to join one of these exchanges down below this video, and then right here on Get Access to Will Alerts, you can basically submit your user ID, and once we are checking it from our end, you'll be put into this private Telegram channel. So guys, definitely recommend to do so to get that extra information. And if you haven't done so already, guys, make sure to leave the thumbs up button. Now let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum also has seen a nice breakout right here from this formation. Actually a slightly different formation than Bitcoin. It looks like Ethereum is a little bit lagging, right? It's following Bitcoin, but that's also what we are seeing in bull markets often. Bitcoin completely goes crazy first, and once Bitcoin did completely go crazy, then we are going to see those profits flowing into different projects. And it starts with Ethereum, then it goes to large caps, then it goes to mid caps, then it goes to low caps, okay? So right now, Bitcoin is still stealing the show, right? Bitcoin is still there stealing the show. Bitcoin dominance still going up. So even though Ethereum goes up against US dollars, it's not going up against Bitcoin. And I'm very happy, guys. We actually traded this one from the lows right here over on the Will Alerts as well. We took advantage of this bounce, but we also took already profits. And I said that also from Will Alerts, I'm taking profits right here, because I'm not expecting that this was the exact low. I didn't expect that, because I think we still can go lower, even way lower. But these are definitely, in terms of risk to reward ratio, these are definitely levels for short-term buys, because we have massive macro support coming in here. So these small bounces are very nice, because you can increase your Bitcoin holdings. And if you do this with a big stack, I did it actually with a big part of my portfolio, you just gain like another 4% against Bitcoin, right? So that was a kind of a safe bet. But yeah, as you can see, this declining channel can also definitely go lower, and I would say it's definitely possible for Ethereum against Bitcoin, to come in this lower band, right here at the support from this declining channel. And if we are going to do that, guys, I'm definitely going to invest a lot of Bitcoin into Ethereum, because then I would expect sooner or later a nice bounce, and can definitely increase your Bitcoin holdings with that. The Ethereum dominance also looking kind of ugly right here. We had that breakout. We also handled that over on the Will Alerts, and right now we are coming down into the support. So maybe we could get a bounce from these levels. Right now I wouldn't bet too much on it, as Bitcoin is still the star. Bitcoin is pushing higher. And we just want to see Bitcoin finishing its move completely first, and hopefully that goes along with a nice push in the Bitcoin dominance. And then once we get that push, I already have a lot of alerts ready, guys, at different charts. Once we get that push, then it's time to look at altcoins, diversify, take a little bit more risk, because a lot of money is already made in Bitcoin. Then liquidity will flow to altcoins. So guys, that is basically what I'm watching right now in the crypto markets. Bitcoin is king, and this is definitely the chart you want to watch. And how high Bitcoin can go, to me, really depends on this green box. So if we were at the lower end of this green box, or maybe at the support right here, I'm going to take a little bit less risk, and I'm going to be a little bit careful, and I'm going to look for, okay, maybe we are going to see a top very, very soon, because this is this is quite a significant chart, and this is a big edge against other traders, because I basically don't know any other trader which is using the stablecoin dominance as a main indicator for what Bitcoin is going to do. And as you can know already, since the whole year of 2023, this chart has been incredibly helpful for predicting Bitcoin tops and bottoms. So every time we touch the low right here, we have a top. Every time we touch the resistance, we have a bottom. And we didn't know like this is going to be the exact top. Maybe we later break out, but at least know we have some short-term resistance, right? For example, right here too, here we could short and then here you long, but then when we do break down, you know, you close that long because we actually broke down. This was very interesting because I already told you guys as well. We have this green box here. I'm going to long. I'm going to short Bitcoin as I'm expecting this bounce. Right, the bounce didn't come. We break below that green box, so I could directly flip my bias. Okay, Bitcoin is looking bullish. Let's change bias, right? Still careful with the amount of risk you want to take, but it's easier to change your bias when you have multiple charts that can be a leading indicator for example, Bitcoin, right? Or the volatility index for the regular financial markets. So guys, this is basically the charts that I'm watching right now. Bitcoin and stablecoin dominance is the most important. I'm taking a step back a little bit from altcoins, but I'm definitely sniping from a distance because you want to buy altcoins on sale, definitely against Bitcoin, because once this rally is finished, money will flow to altcoins, and it will start most likely with Ethereum. So that's definitely a coin that I'm looking at to buy soon, but not yet. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. That is very much appreciated. If you want to join Will Alerts, guys, make sure to join Bybit, BingX or BitGet with the affiliate link down below. We also have a free Telegram channel which you can just join, which we have extra information, sometimes about the market, sometimes some small updates, sometimes something about the video. So that one I would definitely join as well. But if you really want to get like more market information, which altcoins to buy, where to take profits, when for example the US dollar stable coins is going into that green box, then yeah, definitely join Will Alerts, as you will get alerts on your Telegram with all of this valuable information. Guys, I wish every single one of you a beautiful day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.